Everyone say, good morning, Teacher Seth.
Good morning, Teacher Seth.
Hello, everybody. It's nice to see you. Where are you?
China.
Everybody say, I am in China.
I am in China.
I am in America. You know what? It's Halloween. So I'm going to put on my ducky hat.
Oh, what is it?
Do you like my ducky hat? Which is Halloween. Very good. And now say trick or treat. Teacher Sarah, do you think there's one student who wants to come up to the front and trick or treat?
Who wants to trick or treat? Ruby. Ruby, come on up. Knock, knock. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Give me something good to eat.
That's our next word. Everyone say funny.
Funny. Funny.
Everyone say funny.
Funny.
Now I can do something funny. You guys ready for this? Was that funny? Teacher Jackie, your turn. You do something funny.
All right, let's go.
I need your audio, Teacher Jackie.
All right, something funny. Let's try this one.
What do you guys think? Was that funny?
Yes.
No. Try again, Teacher Jackie. It's okay.
Try.
We won't make her try.
I don't know if I have much more funny.
All right. Let's learn some more words, guys. The next word is a scary word. It is spider. Oh, spider. Teacher Jackie, do you have a spider?
I have a big spider. Oh no! No!
Ah!
Oh, spider. I'm a friendly spider. I am nice. I am not bad. I'm a good spider. I'm your friend. Bye. Bye.
Wow. Great spider impression, Teacher Jackie. And now we have another word. It is ghost. Oh, super scary. And now it's a witch. That's pretty scary too. So is this one, skeleton. Oh, whoa, Teacher Jackie, do you have a skeleton?
Oh, you know, I'm just hanging out with my friend here, Mr. Hi, friend. How are you? He's my friend. He is cool. Let's see if we can high five the skeleton. Oh, he's a nice skeleton. I have lots of skeleton friends. Let's see them. Well, let's count the skeletons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 skeletons.
Goodness, Teacher Jackie, that is so many skeletons. I am really scared right now. I think it's time for us to sing a song because this has been too scary, you guys. Let's sing a song. Everybody, stand up. Let's sing. Oops. Let's sing the skeleton song.
Skeleton dance.
Here we go.
Them bones, dancing bones, them bones, dancing bones, dancing bones, doing the skeleton dance.
Uh-oh. Something very big. Oh no, what is it?
Oh no! What is it?
Oh, I'm scared. Oh, he's okay. Good spider. Friends, that's all I have for you at the Halloween store. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye bye.